Right now we will quickly go through the first setup of Redmi A5. So first of all, as you are here, you can change this language right here. There is no text box actually to type in which language you want to use, so you have to find it manually. And also it is not like in the alphabetical order, so you have to actually find it, or you can find your language in the suggested one. So as you selected your language, press start, and from here you can choose your region. By here, right here in this text box, you can insert your region, like for example United States. Simply select it and now press next. From here there are some user agreement and privacy policy to accept. Let's accept this one and continue with the setup. We have to wait a little bit, and from here we can set up using another device. So if you were previously using the Android device, we will go for the Android device right here, and from there we will have to scan the QR code with the previous device, and from there you will have to follow on-screen instructions to continue with the setup. Everything is on screen, and this setup is pretty easy. If you previously had the iPhone or iPad, you simply will go for the iPhone or iPad. You will have to connect the Wi-Fi network, and also you will have to follow on-screen instructions. Everything will be on screen, and you will continue the setup by setting up with this iPhone or iPad. But we are not setting up with another device, so let's skip this one. From here you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to actually set up your phone like from the top to the bottom, actually you will want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So let's quickly connect to this network right here, and after that you will have to wait for your phone to actually get ready to continue with this setup. Alright, the next thing right here, we have the Google account, but we will actually not log into the Google account. All you simply have to do is just like insert your credentials for your Google account, or if you don't have such an account, you will have to actually create one by pressing this button right here. Also, if you actually have Google account and you don't want to log into your Google account right now, you can do it later. So I will actually skip this one. It is not really necessary right now, you can skip it. Here you can set up a PIN, and here also you can change the pattern, actually password or PIN. You can change the lock screen method. You can set up the PIN, but you can also skip that. So I will skip it actually. And as you can see, the PIN or any kind of screen lock is actually necessary if you want to set up the fingerprint or the face unlock on your phone. So it's up to you. If you want to set up the PIN, simply set it up, I mean. Alright, as we skip it, now we have some Google services. From here we have services to use location to allow scanning. So from here I recommend you to actually disable this scanning right here and use the usage and diagnostic data. It is not really necessary, and for this location you can actually disable it later, but right here I recommend you to disable these two and press accept. From here you have some additional applications from Google which will be downloaded over Wi-Fi, as you can see. Let's press simply OK. And from here we have to wait again for this phone to set up and to continue with the setup. Alright, here we have some basic settings which Xiaomi actually provides to send usage and diagnostic data, personalized ads, and user experience program. I recommend you to disable all of them, since these might actually use some internet connection and some other stuff. I personally turn it off. I also recommend you to turn it off. If you'd like to leave it like this, simply leave it. And from here I believe this will be all about this setup of the Redmi A5. I'm not sure though, we might actually be actually forwarded into the display settings to set up fonts and some other stuff, but just in a moment we will see. Alright, from now on, as you can see, the configuration of our Redmi A5, the first setup, is complete. And from now on, if you are connected to this network or anything like this, the Google Play Store, actually no. You have to actually log into your Google account for the Google Play Store to download some additional updates and some other stuff. And yeah, this is basically all about this Redmi A5 first setup.